Hey guys, happy Friday. I have just been running some errands and Rowan is passed out in the back. I just got home, but I've just kind of been sitting here in the driveway checking my phone. But I wanted to get y'all, give y'all a little update on the Zaca Chewables that we tried last night. So my husband and I went out for a couple Margs, as we do, and I had 2 of those little chewables while we were at the restaurant. And then I ate 2 before I went to bed. And I woke up and I feel amazing. Normally I have like a little bit of a headache. I feel a little dehydrated, but I feel great. I can't wait to try it. After I love to run. And one thing that has kind of been happening to me is after a long run, I'll get a headache and I'll drink water and I'll try to, get my electrolytes back, but I just have a headache for the rest of the day. And so I'm excited to try this post run to see if I don't get that headache, because I love to run, but I hate that headache I get afterwards. So yeah, just a little update for you guys. I love these little chewables, and